Hello everyone. So our today's next topic of chapter 3 is pulley system. Okay, today we will complete our pulley system here. So what is pulley? Pulley is a grooved wheel that can turn radially on an axle and it's supported in a frame. It means this one. This one is a simple fixed pulley. In this we have this block and this one is the pulley which rotate about an axle here. ठीक है, इस एक्सिल के अराउंड ये रोटेट करेगा. ठीक है, this one we can hang the load and here the effort is applied. Load is the force which is applied by the machine and effort is the force which is applied on the machine. Okay, so now pulley can be divided into three parts. The first part is single fixed pulley, second part single movable pulley, and the third part we will study about block and tackle system. And in each this part we will calculate the mechanical advantage, velocity ratio and efficiency we will calculate. Okay, now first we will study about the single fixed pulley here. So this is the block diagram for the single fixed pulley. In this one we will take, I will redraw the diagram. See this one here the load is applied. Load we can take. This pulley is used in the well to draw the water, so we can hang the bucket here. ठीक है, here you are applying the force. A man is standing over here. He is applying the force. Okay. Now this one is the force which is applied on the machine, so we will call it as load. And this is the force which is applied by us. Okay ना? So this one is effort. ठीक है. See. If something we hang, okay, string अगर ये है, ये rope है, ठीक है, अगर आप कुछ भी हैंगिंग है तो उस पर एक फोर्स लगता है upward side, that is called tension. So a tension force will be applied. ठीक है. Similarly here also a tension force is applied. So we will balance this one. ठीक है, तो load अगर balance करोगे, load the force is down in the downward direction, tension upward direction में, so this force will be balanced. So we can write here L is equals to T. Okay, same here. Effort is in the downward direction, tension upward direction में, दोनों एक दूसरे को बैलेंस करेंगे. So we can write here effort is equals to T. So this is, and we need to calculate the mechanical advantage. Now what's the formula for mechanical advantage? Load upon effort. So what is the load here? T. Effort T. So T by T will cancel. Mechanical advantage will be is equals to 1. Okay. Now velocity ratio. Velocity ratio is defined as displacement in the upward side to the displacement in the load side. ठीक है, अब ये वाला अगर एग्जांपल हम ले तो जितना ये ऊपर की तरफ मूव करेगा, जितना आप नीचे की तरफ रॉप को पुल करोगे उतना ही बकेट ऊपर जाएगा. सो सेम डिस्प्लेसमेंट विल टेक प्लेस इन बोथ साइड. सो डी विल टेक इट एज डी. ठीक है, दिस डीएल साइड विल टेक इट एज डी. So d by d will cancel. So velocity ratio will be is equals to 1 in this case. Okay. Now if we talk about efficiency, efficiency is equals to ma upon VR. Okay. Now which is equals to ma is 1, VR is equals to 1. That is 1. If you want to calculate the percentage, then this machine will be 100% efficient. Okay, 100% efficiency idle machine होते हैं. So this one is the single fixed pulley. Mechanical advantage 1, velocity ratio 1, efficiency 100%. Okay, अगर mechanical advantage 1 है, so it means this machine will work as a change in direction. Change in direction इसलिए क्योंकि effort आप downward लगाओगे, load ऊपर की side move करेगा. ठीक है, और we can take the example of seesaw in this case. आप effort downward लगाते हो, the person sitting here will move upward. So this one is the change in direction. Okay, now next one is single movable pulley. Single movable pulley. Okay, in this what we will take? We will take the string from here. ठीक है, इससे आप इस पुली को पास कराओगे. The load will be hang on this side. इसके सेंटर से load hang करेगा and the effort will be applied in the upward direction. So this one is the movable pulley. ठीक है, लेकिन जो फिक्स पुली थी उसमें क्या था, आपका ये जो पुली था ये यहाँ पर फिक्स था, ये यही रोटेट करेगा. बट दिस वन इज मूवेबल, ये मूव करेगा. ठीक है, ये फिक्स नहीं है पुली. So that's why there are two types of pulley, fixed and movable. Okay. So now in this direction, in this also we will calculate the mechanical advantage, that is load and upward. So we will calculate the value of L. So in this, one tension will be applied in this direction, and here another tension will be applied. Okay, so the लोड विल बी इज इक्वल्स टू हाउ मेनी टी, टेंशन, ये लोड डाउनवर्ड है, दोनों टेंशन अपवर्ड है, तो लोड विल बी इज इक्वल्स टू 2t इन दिस केस, दो टेंशन के इक्वल होगा, t प्लस टी दैट इज 2t. एंड अपवर्ड वी कैन टेक, अगर आप ये दिस कंडीशंस आर अकर्ड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट इक्विलिब्रियम, ठीक है, तो अपवर्ड किसके इक्वल होगा, सिर्फ इस वाले t के. Okay, so when we place the value in this equation, this comes out to be 2t upon t, t by t cancel, mechanical advantage is equals to 2. Okay, now we calculate the velocity ratio. So velocity ratio dE upon dL. dE we need to calculate, ठीक है, just assume this case, ठीक है, अगर आप लोड को 1 मीटर ऊपर लेके जाना चाहते हो, ठीक है, तो अपवर्ड आप कितना ऊपर मूव करोगे, सेम तो नहीं मूव करना, क्योंकि 1 मीटर विल दिस वन, अब 1 मीटर यहाँ होगा, ठीक है, तो अपवर्ड आप कितना ऊपर करोगे, द अपवर्ड विल बी मूव 2 मीटर, ठीक है, अगर आप अपवर्ड को 2 मीटर ऊपर लेके जाओगे देन दिस लोड विल मूव 1 मीटर अपवर्ड, ठीक है, तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट डीई साइड कितना होगा, 2d वी टेक, ओके, एंड लोड साइड वी टेक इट एज d. So d by d will cancel, velocity ratio will be is equals to 2. Now efficiency, if we see, efficiency will be is equals to ma upon vr. So ma is equals to 2 upon 2, which comes out to be 1. And efficiency in percentage wise we call it as 100% efficient. Okay, so this in this pulley mechanical advantage is equals to 2. So what type of machine is this? This one is the force multiplier machine. Okay.